In this video, I'll show you how to get the on-screen LG TV keyboard. Step 1. When does the keyboard appear? The on-screen keyboard opens automatically when you select a text field. For example, search box, username or password field within an app. Step 2. How to show the keyboard. Navigate to any text entry field with your remote. Now press the central OK or selection button. Keyboard should now pop up on the screen. Step 3. If the keyboard does not appear, make sure your LG TV is up to date by going to Settings, then All Settings, General, About this TV, and then check for updates. You can restart your TV if the feature is unresponsive. If using an external keyboard, remove it to restore on-screen keyboards. Step 4. Typing tips. Use arrows and OK/enter to choose letters. For faster typing, plug in a USB keyboard or try the LG TV Plus app for smartphone input if supported. And that's how you get the on-screen keyboard on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Bye!